One, this is surging in trade on the back of a bullish CLSA note. Sonia is here with more details on what CLSA is saying. Sonia, over to you.
Well, thanks a lot for that. Just to put it into context, yesterday Blackstone exited Sona BLW completely by selling their remainder stake for over 4,000 crores. Now, that caused a little bit of jitters, right, as to why Blackstone is exiting Sona BLW, and is that a concern in terms of what the way forward would look like? But I did put out a piece where we mentioned that the business for Sona BLW is very strong and the growth outlook is pretty good. In fact, this morning as well, CLSA put out a note where they said that the stock's recent decline is due to some concerns over the continuity of the management post Blackstone's exit. However, Blackstone's exit has not changed their thesis. So just to put the numbers into perspective, it's been a very strong business. As of Q3, the quarter gone by, the company reported its highest ever revenue, EBITDA, as well as profitability. And the margins are also likely to increase going forward, says CLSA, because of a better product mix. Now, if you look at it, the financials over the last 5 years have been very strong for Sona BLW. It's been a 34% compounded growth rate on the revenues for the last 5 years. The EBITDA has seen a very strong growth as well. And now over 60% of the order book for Sona BLW comes from the electric vehicle space. So electrification is the big theme both globally and locally, and Sona BLW is a big beneficiary of that. Hence, after Blackstone's exit, there was a little bit of a downtick, but now the stock has recovered in considerably from its lows yesterday. Back to you.
Dipan, do you like Sona BLW?
Yeah, I think it's a great company, just that it's very expensive when you compare to some of the other auto ancillary companies. And no doubt, I think it's got a bulging order book position because it's a key supplier for many EVs. But a lot of the positives are got captured in the stock price. But we do like the auto ancillary space, and usual disclosure, we and our clients will be invested. We like company like Uno Minda, which came out with very good set of numbers and is present in many I would say, sub-assemblies and assemblies within the passenger vehicle, the two-wheeler industry. And its growth rate has been quite impressive. And valuations also are reasonable. And there'll be some other such companies as well. But by and large, I think Sona BLW, great business, but as I said, quite expensive.
All right. Thanks very much, Deepan. Great speaking with you, and appreciate your time here on CNBC, as always. Thank you. Well, our alpha manager of the day is Aman Chauhan, and he's fund manager at Abacus Asset Management. He's joining us now to take some questions. Aman, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much for your time.